another video. Welcome back, you guys. Sorry, y'all. Your girl trying to be a little more hype in the video. Okay, trying to be a little more psych. Alright, y'all. So today in this video, I'm going to show you guys. I ordered for the first time. I ordered with Instacart, and y'all, honestly, I would rather go to the store and grocery shop myself than order with Instacart. I just didn't feel like going to the store. I actually ordered it last night to be delivered last night, but it kept pushing the time back. So then I had to reschedule for this morning, and that was a big mess. And then I paid with Foodstamps, and then still had to turn around and pay cash. A service fee, but delivery was free. I don't know, but again, I could have just went and done it myself. Next time, I'm just gonna go do it myself. It's just yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Okay, so the first thing I got is I ordered some apples, grapefruit, some fettuccine noodles. I ordered 3 boxes of this. Some fresh peeled garlic. I didn't even know that I ordered 4 packs of these 20 counts flour tortillas. I ordered 2 bags of chicken patties. Then 2 bags of chicken breast. Order a container of blueberries, 2 containers of blackberries, 2 containers of strawberries. Sit here. 2 containers of banana nut muffins, 2 containers of the blueberry cream cheese muffins. I also ordered 2 cucumbers, a bag of carrots, a bag of green apples. I thought the red apples was going to come in a bag like this. That bag over there does not have that many apples in it, so I'm not feeling that. 3 jars of Alfredo pasta sauce, 4 boxes of blueberry, 4 boxes of blue jello, 1 box of strawberry. I ordered cabbage. This is a green cabbage. And I also ordered a couple chiles. So this one starts with a G. This one starts with a P. I'm not even about to pretend like I know the names. And this one starts with an A. Yeah. I also ordered some liver pudding, a pack of corn, some coconut water, some fruits. Got watermelon, strawberries, grapes, cantaloupe, and that melon. Whatever. I forgot. That quick. But yeah. Then I got some instant oatmeal. I got the only kind the kids really like is the maple brown sugar. I mean, I know they have the apple. I don't like the apple one because it's got the chunks of apples in it. If I want chunks of apples, I'll just put some chunks. But I don't know. It's just not really good to me. That's nasty. But yeah, they eat the maple brown sugar, and then we got the original instant grits. Then I also got for easy simple dinner, I got some Salisbury steak and gravy. I grabbed 2 loaves of bread. I also grabbed this bottom roast. I thought it was going to be bigger than this. This is, well, what I ordered was The size was bigger, but they had to adjust it. I guess they didn't have that size. So yeah, I grabbed one box of smacks because I have the other ones. Then peanut butter crunch, 2 boxes of the peanut butter crunch. Some thyme leaves, beef cubes. We have chicken, so I grabbed the beef this time. Then there's another thing of liver pudding. Then I also grabbed some honey nut Cheerios. I like these dry. I mean, I can have them with milk too, but I like them dry also, like as a snack. Then there's the chicken. And then I grabbed some chopped broccoli. I got 2 bags of the chopped broccoli and 2 bags of the regular size broccoli. Let's see. Okay, so that is all the groceries. Nope. I also grabbed a purple onion. I don't even see how I missed that, but yeah, I grabbed a purple onion. But that is all of the groceries that I ordered on Instacart. Like I said, no, I ordered some more, but they were out of stock. Yeah, I just asked for a refund because the other stuff that they was trying to replace it with wasn't really worth it. So, but like I said, my honest opinion on Instacart, I don't believe I would do it again. I think in order for me to order from Instacart again, I would have to be sick. I would honestly have to be sick and cannot get out the house. But I probably would pay a friend or somebody to go to the store for me instead of ordering with Instacart, because then I really in some of the stuff is not something that I would have picked up. That's another thing. Like, if you don't mind what they're picking up for you, like, yeah, you're telling them what you want, but then you know what they have in the store. So you're like, you rather have maybe the cheaper brand than a higher price brand or something. Like with these, I would not have gotten these. Again, I would have gotten a bag of apples like this. Like, but, or something like that. But, I mean, it is what it is. I mean, it's for some people and some people it's not. It's something that I cannot do. I will not do again. But yeah, so the girl gotta go put these groceries up and get the kids back to their schoolwork. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. You guys, please share my videos. Comment down below if you've ever used Instacart. If you enjoy Instacart, if there is another delivery service that you think is better than Instacart, or for days that I just, really don't want to go to the store. Like last night, I was not feeling it. So, and I didn't want to cancel it because I didn't know if I was going to get that service fee back. That service fee I could have put in my gas tank and went to the store myself, and it would have still continued to stay. It would have been in my, because I paid $18.90 service fee. So then if I would have paid for if I would have paid for delivery, if delivery wasn't free, and then paying tips, stuff like that, I'm like, what is the point? I could have just went to the store and saved money. But anyway, so yeah, but I gotta get later because I forgot what I was talking about. I forgot what I was saying. Oh, I was saying, like my videos, share my video, comment down below any services that's better than Instacart, or if you enjoy Instacart or anything. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Away, yeah, yeah. Away, yeah, yeah. Away, yeah, yeah. Baby, don't just like me to mess up a good thing. Another